Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are discussing about Bajaj Avenger Streak 220. The Bajaj Avenger Streak 220 is a modern cruiser motorcycle that has captured the attention of riders with its distinct style and practicality. Designed for both city rides and long-distance cruising, this bike is the epitome of comfort and style. With its sleek blacked-out theme, the Avenger Streak 220 stands out in the crowd, reflecting a bold and modern aesthetic. Its low-slung design makes it accessible and appealing to a wide range of riders, especially those who enjoy relaxed cruising. At the heart of the Avenger Streak 220 is a 220cc single-cylinder, air-cooled DTSI engine with an oil cooler. This engine delivers an impressive power output of 19.03 PS at 8,500 RPM and a peak torque of 17.55 Nm at 7,000 RPM. The power delivery is smooth and linear, ensuring an effortless ride in both urban traffic and on highways. The 5-speed gearbox complements the engine's performance, allowing precise gear shifts for a seamless riding experience. The bike features a telescopic front suspension with double anti-friction bush and twin shock absorbers at the rear. This suspension setup is designed to absorb road irregularities, providing a comfortable ride over various terrains. The Avenger Streak 220 is equipped with a front disc brake and a rear drum brake, ensuring reliable stopping power in all conditions. Its 17-inch alloy wheels and tubeless tires offer excellent grip and stability, enhancing the overall riding experience. Comfort is a key aspect of the Avenger Streak 220. Its low seat height, wide handlebar, and forward-set footpegs ensure a relaxed riding posture, making it ideal for long journeys. The single-piece seat is well padded and offers ample space for both the rider and pillion. The inclusion of a backrest for the pillion further enhances comfort, making it a great option for two-up riding. The design of the Avenger Streak 220 is minimalistic yet stylish. The bike features a sleek fuel tank with subtle graphics that add a touch of elegance. The LED DRLs and halogen headlamp provide excellent visibility in low-light conditions while enhancing the bike's overall look. The blacked-out exhaust, engine casing, and alloy wheels add a contemporary touch, appealing to modern riders who prefer a bold and understated look. The Avenger Streak 220 comes with a digital analog instrument cluster that combines traditional design with modern functionality. The speedometer is digital, while the tachometer remains analog, providing a balance between style and usability. Other features include a fuel gauge, trip meter, and odometer, ensuring that riders have all the necessary information at their fingertips. Weighing approximately 160 kilograms, the Avenger Streak 220 is easy to handle, even for new riders. Its low center of gravity and compact dimensions make it maneuverable in city traffic, while the 169mm ground clearance ensures it can tackle uneven roads with ease. The bike's 13-liter fuel tank capacity allows for extended rides without frequent refueling, making it a practical choice for long-distance travel. One of the standout aspects of the Avenger Streak 220 is its affordability. Priced between 1.40 lakh rupees and 1.50 lakh rupees, on-road it offers exceptional value for money. The combination of performance, comfort, and style at this price point makes it an attractive option for riders seeking a versatile cruiser motorcycle. The Avenger Streak 220's popularity can be attributed to its ability to cater to a diverse audience. Whether you're a college student looking for a stylish ride or a seasoned rider seeking a reliable cruiser, this bike ticks all the right boxes. Its approachable design and easy-to-ride nature make it suitable for beginners, while its performance and features ensure it remains a favorite among experienced riders. The bike's blacked-out components and minimalist graphics give it a timeless appeal. The attention to detail in its design, such as the contoured seat and ergonomic handlebar placement, showcases Bajaj's commitment to rider comfort. The Avenger Streak 220 is more than just a motorcycle, it's a statement of style and individuality. In terms of practicality, the Avenger Streak 220 excels with its fuel efficiency and low maintenance costs. The DTSI engine is known for its reliability and durability, ensuring that the bike requires minimal upkeep over the years. Its robust build quality and premium materials make it a long-lasting companion for daily commutes and weekend getaways. The bike's exhaust note is another highlight, delivering a deep and throaty sound that complements its cruiser persona. The refined engine ensures minimal vibrations, providing a smooth and enjoyable riding experience. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating through city streets, the Avenger Streak 220 offers a sense of freedom and adventure. Customization options for the Avenger Streak 220 further enhance its appeal. Riders can personalize their bikes with a range of accessories, such as saddle bags, crash guards, and customized seats. These additions not only enhance the bike's aesthetics but also improve its functionality, making it more versatile for different riding needs. The Bajaj Avenger Street 220 is a testament to Bajaj's expertise in designing motorcycles that combine style, performance, and practicality. Its cruiser design, coupled with modern features, makes it a standout choice in the 200-250cc segment. The bike's ability to deliver a comfortable and engaging ride has earned it a loyal following among Indian riders. In conclusion, the Bajaj Avenger Street 220 is a well-rounded motorcycle that offers something for everyone. Its powerful engine, comfortable ergonomics, and stylish design make it a perfect choice for riders looking to explore the open road. Priced competitively at 1.40 lakh rupees to 1.50 lakh rupees, on-road it delivers exceptional value for money, proving that you don't have to break the bank to own a premium cruiser. Whether you're a city rider or a highway cruiser, the Avenger Street 220 is ready to take you on your next adventure. Please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any update.